Hello friends, welcome back. Thank you so much for your support on my channel. If this is your first time here, a warm welcome to you. Thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Valrine, your practical decorator, helping you to make it home. In today's video, I want to share with you how I make my envelope pillow. Not the regular rectangular envelope pillow, but a pillow that looks really like an envelope. Check this one out too. Pretty cool, eh? It's made with one piece of fabric, and these ones are made from fabric samples, designer fabric samples. And the piece of fabric that I will be using is also a piece of designer fabric sample. I am liking it. What do you think, guys? The first thing you should know is that, let me just put these around here. Now I'm going to be using the fireplace, so I can just stick them there for now. I have a lot of cleaning to do. That's not decoration. It's actually just stuff that's out of place that I need to put in place. So yeah, the first thing you need to know is that your piece of fabric need to be square. This piece of fabric is actually 26 inches squared, which means that all sides are 26 inches. I am going to start stitching, and the first thing I'm going to do is zigzag around the perimeter of the panel. Next, I am going to fold two edges. Doesn't matter which two. It can be this one and this one, or this one and this one, or this one and it doesn't matter which two. And so I will just fold. I am just going to do one fold. You can do double fold if you want, but because my fabric is on the thicker side, I'll do just one fold, and the fold will be just about a half an inch deep, and I am going to go ahead and flat stitch the two sides. Okay, so I have flat stitched this side. I'm going to turn and turn this side just the same, half an inch deep, and flat stitch. Next, I'm going to flip the fabric over. So I'm looking at the right side. I'm going to find the middle of the panel, make a little fold, open, and then I'm going to bring the bottom edge right back to the middle. Then I'm going to go ahead and bring this side over. I'll take this to the sewing machine and stitch these two together. Now, the next thing to do is to bring this edge in to the middle here, and then I'm going to go ahead and stitch across here. This is the reason why we stitched this edge and this edge, because now this is the inside of the envelope. And I turn it over. I'm going to put my button right here, and I'm going to make a button hole right here, and the pillow will be finished. I will go ahead and use my needle and thread to put my button and to make the buttonhole, because I have a buttonhole maker on my sewing machine, but this button is too big for it. So I am going to make the buttonhole right here, and what I'm going to do is just fold the fabric this way, and then I am going to put a little slit in the fabric, just big enough for the button to go through. So I'll double first, then I'll string the needle, and then I will double again. So I have 4 strands. My signature style envelope pillow, one panel, one pillow. Let me know what you think. I hope you enjoyed watching the video and learning a new design for your decorative pillows as much as I enjoyed sharing it with you. Please, before you go, remember to give me some thumbs up, share, and share, and yeah, share. If you have not yet subscribed, do me a favor and hit that subscription button. Remember also to hit the bell notification icon so you can be notified of new videos. Sending you lots of love and appreciation. You take care now. I'll see you in the next video.